Today I will make leek tart. We will use 4 or 3 leeks, bacon, a whole cube of butter, 2 spoons oil, flour, 2 eggs, cream, salt, pepper and nutmeg. First pour 700 grams of flour and a whole cube of diced butter into the bowl. And then we just knead. When the dough is well kneaded, put it in the fridge for half an hour. During this time, chop leek and bacon. Then fry the bacon on a pan. When the bacon is ready, add 2 spoons of oil to the pot. Now add chopped leek into the pot and also add a little water. Mix it. Add some salt and mix again. When the leek is boiling, put 2 eggs in the bowl. Now mix it. Then add 180 grams of cream and a pinch of ground nutmeg. Add some salt and mix again. Now return to boiling leek and add some bacon to it. Now turn the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Now take the dough out of the fridge and roll it out. When it is already rolled out, take a tart pan and put the dough on. When the leek is finished, let it cool down. When it gets cold, add a mixture of eggs and cream. Now pour the mixed mixture into the racket in the dough and put it in the oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, cover the tart with aluminium foil and then put it for another 25 minutes. And here are the results.